Ang sa iyo ay akin. Ang sa iyo ay akin international title. The Law of Revenge / Transl. What's Yours is Mine is a 2020 Philippine drama series broadcast by Kapamilya Channel. Directed by FM Reyes, it stars Jodi Sta, Iza Calzado, Sam Milby, Grae Fernandez, Kira Balinger, Joseph Marco, Rita Avila, and Maricel Soriano. The series aired on the network's Primetime Bida evening block, replacing The World of a Married Couple on its previous time slot, replacing Make It With You and Worldwide via the Filipino Channel. It was replaced by Huwag Kang Mangamba on its time slot. The series is streaming online on Netflix. Premise: Ellis is the beloved daughter of a successful businessman who is blessed to live a luxury life, while Marisa enjoys a simple life with her mother working and living at Villa Senadoza. Despite the vast difference in their social statuses, the two women become inseparable best friends. However, one fateful night changes the course of their lives forever. Cast and characters. Main cast: Jodi Sta, Maria as Marisa D. Pine de Zuliani, Iza Calzado as Ellis Senadoza Villarosa, Sam Milby as Gabriel Villarosa, Maricel Soriano as Lucinda Lucing de la Cruz Pinda, Grae Fernandez as Jake P. Zuliani Season 2, Kira Balinger as Hope C. Villarosa Season 2, Joseph Marco as Avelino Avil Mansuto Jr. Season 2, Rita Avila as Belen Senadoza Season 2. Supporting cast: Desiree Del Val as Sonia Villarosa Escobar, Simon Ibarra as Cesar Augusto, Carla Martinez as Adelina Guevara, Cheska Inigo as Carmelita Villarosa, Nico Antonio as Blue Baltazar, Jimmy Marquez as Protesio Pinky Chaves, Brenda Mage as Restituto Tutti Villas, Tart Carlos as Chona Canlas, Jeff Gayton as Cristina Villarosa, Jenny Jamura as Helena Villarosa Asistio, Manuel Chua as Jared Red Adonis, Aya Fernandez as Agatha Cortez, Sid Toracarian as Enzo Escobar, Alvin Anson as Ramon Villarosa Season 1, Polo Angeles as Angelo Gillo Marasigan Season 1, Michelle Vito as Heidi V. Escobar Season 1, Popper Bernardes as Silverio Rio Tan Season 2, Carl Gabriel as RJ Villa Season 2, Amy Nobleza as Charity Faith Santos Season 2, L. A. Santos as Alfred Vega Season 2. Guest cast: Jonna Agancillo as young Marisis, Yes Camille as young Ellis, Miguel Vergara as young Gabriel, Lito Pimentel as George Senadoza, Albi Casino as Victor Montalbano, Alan Paul as Nestor Pinda, Johnny Rivera as Kong, Joaquin Montalbano, Lauren Burgos as Meredith Bautista, Elaine Villafuerte as Andres Franca, Thou Reyes as Ruben Madriaga, Joan Baskin as Francis Angeles, Alex Castro as young Francis, Olive Isidro Cruz as Lestori Zuliani, Caroline Garcia as Minju Gonzalez, Raul Montesa as Lamberto Embo Fernandez, Izzy Canelo as young Abel, Sherilyn David as Rena Fernandez, Aurora Humol as Aurelia Orine Villana, Zajian Jaranila as Jacob P. Villarosas. Production. The project was first unveiled in January 2020 with a working title, What Matters Most. The full trailer was released on March 11, 2020, on ABS-CBN, with the final title confirmed as Ang Sa Iyo Ay Akin. The series was also filmed on ABS-CBN Soundstage Horizon IT Park, located at San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Broadcast. Ang Sa Iyo Ay Akin was scheduled to premiere on March 23, 2020 as part of ABS-CBN Kapamilya Gold Afternoon block, originally to replace Sanjugo. It was postponed due to the lockdown caused by the COVID-19 pandemic, with its intended time slot filled by a rerun of Got to Believe. However, ABS-CBN went off the air on May 5, 2020. A month after the denial of ABS-CBN franchise renewal. It was announced that the series would air instead on pay cable and satellite via Kapamilya Channel, premiering on August 17, 2020 as part of the network's Primetime Bida evening block, replacing the cancelled drama Make It With You. In October 2020, the series began its broadcast on free-to-air television through Zoe Broadcasting Networks at Jodi Channel 11. COVID-19 pandemic. During the enhanced community quarantine in Luzon, Iza Calzado was reported to be hospitalized on March 25, 2020 due to pneumonia and tested for COVID-19. 3 days later, she was confirmed to have afflicted with the virus disease. After another test, Calzado tested negative for COVID-19 and was discharged from the hospital on March 30, 2020. Accolades.